I belong to you. I belong to you.
Hey guys, so we are going to check into an Airbnb, and guess what it is? It's a mini house, bitch. It's a mini house, bitch. Like it's literally fucking tiny. How tiny is it?
It's a tiny house.
It's fucking tiny.
That is the correct name. It's a tiny house.
Whatever. It's a correct name. It's a tiny house. Alright, so we just got here and we drove around first just to see what it looked like. It's an RV park, but it's really, really nice. Like, it's really, really cute. So I'm gonna go and check in, and literally this place is actually what you call check-in. So yeah, we have a look, see how it is, and then yeah, get back to you. Bye. Okay, so we've just got into the house. It is so fucking cute. Like, it is so cute, guys. I'm gonna show you. Ready? House tour. Ready, guys? It's got a cute little fireplace. This is the lounge for the tiny house. It's cute. So cute. There's a tiny man. Full kitchen area, like, that is cute. Little oven, heaps of storage space. Then they got the bathroom here. It's quite big. It's a shitter. There's the shitter. And then yeah, there's the bathroom. That's cool. It's quite huge. And what's in here? Washing machine. Cute. And then look at the doors. It's like rollers. That is cool. It's cute, guys. Cute. And then the master bedroom. The only bedroom, actually. Yeah. And it's got a barn door as well. That is cool. With full wardrobe storage. Cute. Cute. That is cool. And then we'll take a stroll out here. What's in our backyard? We got a little running stream. Cute. This is really nice, like the water running right by the door and the bed. And then there's also a Gold's Gym, which is just up there by the entry. So nice. Then we got this little side walkway that we can walk down. Got some spare tires under there. But yeah, that's the tiny house. Full view, ready? Full view. Ew. We have just gotten back from doing some food shopping because we're going to be in this Airbnb for 2 days? 3 days. 2 days. And then we're going hiking this weekend. But we're gonna have a barbecue for dinner tonight, guys. Bam, bam, bam. First time we get to cook for ourselves. Yeah, yeah. Boom. Who wants to see what we're cooking? Nothing yet. There's nothing cooking. But we're gonna cook something. So, well, the food is cooked, I think. It looks so good, like literally so good. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Bacon and potatoes with eggs and steak and salad. Put it up, put it up. Yum, dinner is ready. Yum. Who wants to see what it looked like? How much his cooking came out? Okay, what would you rate it, guys? Comment down below. Ready? Yum. Looks good. Yum, yum, yum. What is that? That looks like corn. It's actually potato skins with cheese and bacon, and that one's got bacon and bacon in it, and that one's just made of bacon. No, I'm just kidding, that's not bacon. But we're in America, guys. Trying to fatten ourselves up. That's what we're here for. Why else would you come to America if you're not going to fatten yourself up? Clearly. Bye.
Do just what you